Hey, what's up, Enjin coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Enjin coin. What's going on this time in Enjin? In this video, we discuss. Keep watch and please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get all news and updates about cryptocurrencies market. First of all, we look the latest price update of the Enjin coin. After that, we discuss the realistic price prediction of the Enjin coin. As there is a possibility to the price pump in the future, as there is a possibility to the price jump in the future. Let's see, my friends. So, my friends, first of all, if we look the latest price of the Enjin coin in the market, so 1.24 USD dollar is the currently price of the Enjin coin. On the other side, if we talk about the prices of the Enjin coin, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive 2.06%, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is also negative, my friends. In the previous time the price is completely going wrong, completely, my friends. Only the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change in the Enjin coin. Yeah, trust me, I'm very happy only for the last 1 hour of Enjin coin. You see here, if when I look the price chart of the Enjin coin, so I'm worrying and I'm angry. I'm angry to the Enjin coin that is it a change? That is the way to give us profit in Enjin coin? No. But after that, when I see this point of the Enjin coin, so my heart start feeling happiness, because in the last hour the price pump. So that is why I'm feeling satisfied from Enjin coin. That is why, my friends, I recommend for everyone every video that please hold, please hold. If I sell yesterday Enjin coins, absolutely I'm in the loss. But now this time they start pumping, and now in this time I'm in the profit. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Enjin coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.